Healthcare is changing from a world based on generalized one-size-fits-all treatments to one of personalized pharmaceuticals, preventive therapeutics, and even regenerative medicine. These advances are being made possible by a host of new developments. Nanotechnology is being applied in the body, and stem cells are being used for interventions and regenerative medicine. They are combined with 3D printing to build new bones, teeth, and even fully functioning personalized organs. Preventative healthcare will benefit from new 3D printed meat and protein substitutes that are healthier and more nutritious than the original, while personalized pharmaceuticals, which combine multiple formulas and medication into a single pill, will increase efficacy as well as reduce side effects. Unfortunately, finding the solutions to taking these innovations to scale often drive up R&D costs prohibitively. Yet, what if you would work with a knowledge institute that already has acquired the experience and know-how in these fields? How much faster and cost-effectively could you get to market? TNO has created the leading consortium of global healthcare innovators for the future of the healthcare industry. It's focused on enabling you to create the healthcare innovation projects of your dreams. Join us on one of the 3 specialized technology tracks to meet the players behind the Healthcare Innovation Summit. Allow us to assist in driving your innovation efforts, making you the one to help your company achieve ahead of schedule what others only imagine. The 2022 Healthcare Innovation Summit. We bring the future of sustainable and healthy living to you.